Hi, tenho dor de cabeça.
Bom dia, hello guys, how are you? Como estão? I'm Karolinti from karolinti.com and this is European Portuguese lesson. Today you will learn everyday expressions with use of verbs estar and ter in Portuguese. Are you ready? Fiquem comigo! In a minute, you will learn useful everyday expressions in Portuguese with the use of verbs estar and ter. Expressions such as to have headache, to be hungry, to be in a rush, and many more. But before you will be presented all those expressions, let's repeat meanings and conjugations of verbs estar and ter. Estar means to be. It's irregular verb and its conjugation in present tense, presente do indicativo, presents as follows. Eu estou, tu estás, ela, ele, você está, nós estamos, elas, eles, vocês estão. If you want to learn more or if you want to repeat more about verb estar, links to my lessons you can find now here and in description box below. Verb ter means to have. It's also irregular verb and its conjugation in present tense presente do indicativo presents as follows. Eu tenho, tu tens, ela, ele, você tem, nós temos, elas, eles, vocês têm. If you want to learn more or if you want to repeat more about the verb ter, link to my lesson about it you can find now here on the screen and of course in the description box below. Okay, meanings and conjugations of verbs estar and ter are repeated. So let's now go to the first expression. We can say to be hungry using verb estar and preposition com, which means with. Estar com fome. Let's make sentence. Estou com fome. Estou com fome. Or we can say this expression to be hungry with the use of verb ter. Ter fome. For example, tenho fome. Tenho fome. Next expression, to be thirsty. We can say to be thirsty using verb estar and preposition com, which means with. Estar com sede. And let's make sentence with it. Estás com sede. Estás com sede. We can say also to be thirsty using verb ter. Tens sede. Tens sede. No. I mean in the context of feeling hot, you know, because of the weather.
We're probably going to go and have a dip in the water just to cool ourselves down a little bit. It's a bit hot.
That's more like it. To be hot we can say by using verb estar and preposition com, which means, as you know, with, and we have estar com calor. Let's make sentence with it. Ele está com calor. Ele está com calor. We can say to be hot as well by using verb ter. Ter calor. For example, ele tem calor. Ele tem calor. Okay, so we talk about expression to be hot. Let's talk about expression to be cold. We can say to be cold by using a verb estar and preposition com, which, as you know, means with. Estar com frio. Let's make sentence with it. Ela está com frio. Ela está com frio. We can also say to be cold using verb ter. Ter frio. For example, ela tem frio. Ela tem frio. Another expression is to have a pain of something. For example, to have a headache. We can say to have a headache by using verb estar and preposition com. Estar com dor de cabeça, where dor means pain and cabeça means head. Let's make sentence with this expression. Você está com dor de cabeça. Você está com dor de cabeça. Expression to have a pain of something we can practice more by translating to have a stomachache. Estar com dor de estômago. Estar com dor de estômago. All of these expressions we can say using verb ter. Ter dor de cabeça. Ter dor de estômago. See these examples.
Tenho dor de cabeça. Tenho dor de cabeça.
Você tem dor de estômago. Você tem dor de estômago. Easy, right? Another expression that I use quite frequently is to be in a rush. To be in a rush we can say using verb estar and preposition com, which means, as you know, with. Estar com pressa. And let's make sentence with it. Nós estamos com pressa. Nós estamos com pressa.
Estou com pressa. Estou com pressa.
To be in a rush, we can say also with verb ter. Ter pressa. For example, nós temos pressa. Nós temos pressa. The last expression, to be sleepy. To be sleepy, we can say, of course, by using verb estar and preposition com. Estar com sono. Let's make sentence with it. Elas estão com sono. Elas estão com sono. We can also say to be sleepy with verb ter. Ter sono. Elas têm sono. Elas têm sono. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. How often do you use presented expressions? Is it on a daily basis? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget also to leave your thumbs up, share and subscribe. Take care and I see you soon. Até já!